Here I've got Honor 7A, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick display, go to the wallpaper, and now click on set wallpaper. Now it's time to select the picture that you would like to cover your screen with, so you can pick something from the gallery or prepared wallpapers. As you can see, you have some options here, and I will choose this one. And then just click on confirmation mark to save the changes. Finally, decide if you want this picture to cover just your lock screen, your home screen, or maybe both of them. I will pick both. So as you can see, from now on, this picture is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. And that's it. That's how you can smoothly and easily change home screen in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.